Hello science fans, welcome back to Science Fun with Austin. Today's video is a viewer request from a bunch of people in Mississippi, and they ask, does Flex Seal actually perform as advertised? Well, we have a few experiments in mind to figure out if that's true. Stay tuned. Alright, so first off, we'll see how well Flex Seal manages to seal with air. We have a balloon here that we've poked a hole in and attempted to patch with Flex Seal. See if it works. As you can see, we kind of popped the Flex Seal off of the balloon. Not a whole lot of luck there. Let's try one that we haven't let cure as long. Perhaps the Flex Seal gets a little bit brittle as it ages here. No luck. Third time may be the charm. That didn't seem to work on a thin-walled air container. Let's try something else. Alright, now we have something that we're not expecting to expand quite as much. Let's see if we can patch a bike inner tube using Flex Seal. Well, we can get some pressure in it, but there's a definite leak here. Looks like we didn't quite manage that either. And you can see why it didn't manage to seal. We actually split where we were trying to patch it, and you can see the material starting to come off in parts. It looks like Flex Seal doesn't work if you apply it to a substrate that's more flexible than the Flex Seal itself actually is. Alright, now the most famous part of the Flex Seal commercial, where he makes a boat with the screen door. We've taken a strainer and covered it in Flex Seal. Let's see if it actually floats. Seems to be doing fairly well. Alright, so now we've seen that Flex Seal can resist water. But let's see what happens when we put a little pressure behind it. Here we have a plastic bottle with a hole that we've patched with Flex Seal. And it's doing a pretty good job of preventing any water from coming out. Let's squeeze it a little bit and see how it holds up. That could be a little bit of a problem. Well, we've seen that Flex Seal doesn't work too well against holding air pressure, but it does work to hold water as long as it's not under pressure. But there's one last claim. The can has a bunch of warnings about being flammable. Let's see if that's actually true. I'd say it definitely lives up to that advertising.